Hey you guys, Renaissance Marie Austin here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am very excited to finally give you guys some updates and make this announcement about a new chapter in my life. When I was 5 years old, I was given a vision that has stayed with me all this time. And even though I've been on many paths, many journeys, pursuing my dreams, passions, job after job, work in my business, finally this vision has manifested. So I'll give a little bit more details later, but I just want to let you know that I have accepted a job offer with a company, and this is going to allow me to move to the state of Utah in just a couple of months. I really thought about how when all of this took place, how everything that I've been through from the age of 5 up until now, which I am 43 years old, has prepared me for this moment. From the trauma, from the bitter, the sweet, the good times, the bad times, it's all culminated into a time such as this. I am ending a book that is like 43 chapters long. And now I am writing a new book, and this is the first chapter. I am gonna say that I was given a download, and I really love that word now. You know, like growing up in church, we will always say, I received the revelation, I received this, I received that. And ever since I was young, I've always had prophetic dreams, I've always had visions, and I've always, been a high frequency, high energy person. But I was on the train last month and received this download that I would become a flight attendant. And I thought about how this revelation was connected to this childhood vision. And I started researching the position, took some time, did this, did that, applied to some places. And every day I was just continuing to be led. And I finally went to LinkedIn, typed in flight attendant, saw this company I had never heard of, applied, and a week later, I had the job. When God says it's time, it is time, okay? I have been anticipating and waiting for a miraculous moment like this, and I'm so happy that it's finally here. I am gonna take you on a journey from this point on through my moving sale, which is really a storage sale. I have a GoFundMe, and I've just been talking to people that I haven't even talked to in such a long time. People have texted me, they've called me, they've helped monetarily, they've helped with wise counsel, and I cannot wait to get to Utah, a place that has been in my heart for a long time. I would say that it's always important to be obedient to that gut feeling, to be obedient to what the Holy Spirit is showing you, to be obedient just to your vision and to stick to your vision no matter what people tell you, no matter what goes down, no matter how impractical things appear to people. Continue to believe in yourself, continue to do what is in your heart to do. I truly believe that if you do that, because I did that all this time, that things will eventually come together and fall into place. So to not make this video too long, I just wanted to give you just this overview, okay? I just wanted to give you this announcement, and then there are gonna be some more videos to come that will specifically talk about certain things. As you can see, many of you have been following me for years. Yes, I still crochet. Yes, I still sing. Yes, I still do all of these things. But I've never really delved into my past and into personal things to help fill in the spaces that may be missing a little bit. It is time for me to share more of my story and to just get everyone up to speed as to who this person is now, where I am, and the lessons I've even learned over the past 2 years. So thank you for being my subscriber. Please share, like, comment, and look forward to more exciting updates coming soon. Again, I am Renaissance Marie Austin, signing off.